2026 is not just another year. It is a turning point. The world is changing faster than ever before. Degrees are losing monopoly. Offices are going remote. AI is becoming a daily tool. And the biggest truth of this decade is simple. Your future income and freedom will depend on the skills you learn, not the marks you scored. The best part? Most of the most powerful skills of 2026 can be learned from your home with just a laptop, internet connection, and discipline. Today, let's talk about the new skills you must learn at home in 2026. Skills that can upgrade your income, confidence, and lifestyle. 1. Artificial intelligence skill set. Not just using AI, controlling it. In 2026, AI is no longer optional. It is as basic as knowing how to use a smartphone. But here's the secret. Most people will use AI. Very few will master AI. Learning how to write effective prompts, automate tasks, generate content, analyze data, and build AI-powered workflows is one of the most valuable skills of this decade. AI skills can help you work faster than others, earn online without coding, start AI-based services, increase productivity in any career. AI will not replace humans. Humans who know AI will replace those who don't. 2. Digital communication and personal branding. In 2026, people don't trust companies first. They trust people. Your ability to communicate clearly, confidently, and authentically online is a superpower. Learning skills like public speaking on camera, storytelling, social media communication, building a personal brand can open doors you never imagined. Whether you want a job, clients, followers, or respect, your voice and visibility matter. From LinkedIn to YouTube, from Instagram to podcasts, personal branding turns your knowledge into influence and income. 3. High-income digital skills. Hard work alone is no longer enough. You need high-value skills. Some of the most powerful digital skills to learn at home in 2026 include copywriting, video editing, graphic design, UI/UX basics, no-code website building. These skills are learnable online, freelance-friendly, globally paid. One skill can create multiple income streams. And the internet pay skill, not age, degree, or location. 4. Financial intelligence and money skills. Schools teach subjects. They don't teach money. In 2026, financial literacy is survival. You must learn how money works, how to budget intelligently, how to invest wisely, how to create multiple income streams. Learning about personal finance, digital investing, and risk management at home can change your family's future. Rich people don't work harder. They think differently about money. 5. Content creation and media skills. Content is the currency of the internet. If you can create valuable content, videos, posts, blogs, reels, podcasts, you will never be invisible again. Content creation teaches you creativity, consistency, confidence, digital influence. In 2026, creators are not just entertainers. They are educators, entrepreneurs, and leaders. Your smartphone is not a distraction. It's a production studio. 6. Problem solving and critical thinking. AI can give answers, but it cannot replace thinking. The ability to analyze situations, solve problems, and make decisions is becoming rare and extremely valuable. Learning, logical thinking, decision-making, strategic planning helps in business, career, relationships, and life. In 2026, thinkers will lead. Followers will struggle. 7. Emotional intelligence and mental strength. Success is not just about skills. It's about control. Learning emotional intelligence helps you manage stress, stay disciplined, communicate better, build strong relationships. Mental strength, focus, and self-awareness are skills you can practice daily at home. In a world full of noise, calm minds will win. 8. Self-learning and adaptability. The most important skill of 2026 is not one skill. It is the ability to learn new skills fast. Technology will change again. Jobs will evolve again. Trends will shift again. If you learn how to learn through online courses, books, practice, and experimentation, you will never be outdated. Adaptable people don't fear the future. They build it. Final message. 2026 will reward those who prepare in silence. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need to wait. You need curiosity, discipline, consistency. Start small. Learn daily. Practice deeply. Because 1 year of skill building can give you 10 years of advantage. The future belongs to learners. And your journey starts at home today. Rock it.